Paratroopers from Ukraine's 77th Brigade, together with National Guard fighters, successfully repelled an attack by a Russian column consisting of 50 military vehicles. In occupied Melitopol, a car carrying 3 Russians was reportedly blown up by a mine trap near an auto parts factory, according to Ukraine's defense intelligence. The operation was carried out by Ukrainian resistance forces under HUR's coordination. The targeted Russians were reportedly involved in the terrorizing of the local population. Russian infantry attempts to advance toward Ukrainian positions in Kharkiv region have been thwarted by soldiers from the 3rd Assault Brigade. All 4 groups of Russian forces were reportedly eliminated before they could reach their targets, mainly by utilizing 155mm artillery from the AS-90 self-propelled howitzer, according to the brigade. Drone operators from Ukraine's 3rd Assault Brigade hit a Russian 240mm self-propelled mortar, the 2S-4 Tyolpan. Soldiers of the SBU Center for Special Operations blew up the Russians with 1 accurate strike. In the Pokrovsk sector, the occupants moved to a firing position in a BM-21 Grad, but were met by an FPV drone. In a duel between Ukrainian and Russian BMP-2 vehicles near Vuhledar, the Ukrainian crew not only won the battle, but also managed to capture the Russian vehicle. The Ukrainian Defense Forces withdrew from Vuhledar to preserve personnel and military equipment, the Khortytsia Military Command reported. And we have more videos from the Iranian attack on Israel. Footage showing several Iranian long-range ballistic missiles striking Tel Nof Air Base to the southeast of Tel Aviv. With a majority of Israeli aircraft at the base, including 2 squadrons of F-15CD Eagle multi-role fighters, said to have been in the air during the attack. Filmed from flight deck of an airliner near Shiraz, Iran. No warning from ATC, who had no idea. Turned away immediately. What appears to be rare evidence of an exo-atmospheric interception by Israel's missile defense system against Iranian ballistic missiles. Ukraine is at the top of the list, but we also need to do more in terms of collective defense and deterrence, said the new NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte.
It's difficult to distinguish between the 3 priorities because, of course, Ukraine is at the top of the list. But also we need to do more in terms of our collective defense and deterrence. We have to invest more and close the capability gaps and try to achieve on all the targets NATO has set here. And thirdly, we have to do more to make sure that we really build on the NATO partnerships which have been established over the years now, including in the Far East. So I would think they are all 3 equally important, but obviously Ukraine is very much in our thoughts.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.